Let me explain to you how being sloppy with your work can make you more money. And when I wrote an email, I would spend a long time articulating it, structuring it, formatting it, making sure it was perfect before sending it, because I wanted the people receiving it, within the company to, take me seriously. What I now realize years later is that's just a complete waste of time. Now, when you're running a business, there's a lot going on. And you don't have time to grammar check. You don't have time to retype your typos. And I'm talking more about internally in your business. But there's like a Lewis language that my team know now, and they know roughly what I mean when I'm talking. And there'll be typos everywhere, spelling mistakes everywhere, words missing. It won't really make sense, but they'll just about catch the gist of it. And that's because I've literally just typed it and sent it on to the next. And I just get so much more done. I never say good morning, I never say good night, I rarely say thank you, but I make the point of telling the team that I'm doing this on purpose. Let's remove the niceties and the irrelevancy of certain words and certain actions to get more work done in a quicker time frame. So one sloppy way to make more money is to get more stuff done. And one way of doing that is stop worrying about things being perfect. Stop worrying about having perfectly written emails. Even if you send out social media content, sometimes it's a typo. Sometimes you've spelt your wrong. Sometimes you've spelt R wrong, A-R-E rather than O-U-R. No one really cares. You're not a grammatarian, if that's the word. You're not an English teacher, and you're not supposed to be. You're a coach, right? And it doesn't make a big difference. The other way that being sloppy has made me a lot of money is by using the imperfect action motto. I live by it. Don't worry about it being perfect. Don't worry about spending ages getting it right. Get it out there, half done. Because then you learn from it, test it, tweak it, and get results from it. You might spend months doing something and then it doesn't work. Then you've wasted all your time. But getting something out there in the world is way better. So what we're looking for progression, not perfection. Okay? Sloppy is a bad word to use. I used it as a bit of a clickbait. It's not sloppy. It's just prioritizing your time on the things that matter and not getting caught up on things that really have no representation of your level of intelligence whatsoever. Think about things that you do on a daily basis and how you can leverage your time more effectively and how you can do things more imperfectly. The quicker and faster you get things out, the quicker and faster you learn, develop and grow, evolve and make more money.